Hello everyone, welcome back to another video from Crypto Basics. In today's episode, I'm going to be showing you how to download Temple Wallet application for your Android device. So let's dive into the video without wasting much of our time. First of all, launch open Play Store on your Android phone and get to the search box and type in Temple Wallet. Once you make a search for it, from the search result, look up for this application and tap on install in order to begin installing the application. Wait until the application is downloaded and installed on your mobile device, and then once you do that, you will be able to open up the application whenever you want. Tap the open button once the application is downloaded, and there you have your Temple Wallet application for your Android device. So that's how easily it can be done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next video. Goodbye till then.